Let me introduce you the all-new Karcher FC5. It is a heavy-duty floor cleaner that cleans all your dirt. Okay, later I'm gonna unbox this, so let's see what's inside, right? I'll talk about a little bit about it. So this is
this is the roller. I roll all. This is a twin forward roller. It cleans all your dirt. In the same time, there's a suction all those dirt into this behind this tank. Alright. Now this tank, all the dirt gonna be here. Okay. So you just take out this filter, and then the dirt will be in here. So you just wash it out, and then you put it back, and just put it back. Okay. This is the water tank. Okay. So this is the water tank. So you just fill the water, and then you put it back. Alright. Okay. So you can put aside of the corner of the house. It's like a decoration, right? Okay. See the wire? This is a twist. Just twist it out, you lose all the wire. You see? You can put it back, push it back. See how simple? This is a very simple floor cleaner. Then you see the button. This is the on off button here. So you on off here. What I read from the instruction book is we need to add a 50 ml of water at the tray.
Alright, now we're gonna fill that container, the water container. So just press down and then you pull. Okay, press down and pull. Alright, here's how it come out. So we're gonna fill water in this container and start using it. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to fill up the water container. Yeah? Alright, just after you fill in, just push this. Okay, now after you fill the water, so just plug in this water container. Okay, that's it.
Alright, this is an example of what my nephew did. Alright, he poured all the coke everywhere on my floor. Okay, no kids, right? So this floor cleaner does clean everything. Most of the thing on the floor, right? Like coke or oil or dirt, dust. Now I'm going to show you the roller. Okay, the roller here. Okay, see this roller here? It's just very easy to pop out, just like this. Okay, just twist in. Okay, about here. So same. It's blue. So there's a blue and there's a green here. Okay, so you won't put it wrong. Just push it, twist a bit. Okay, here how you clean your dirty container. Okay, just take it out. Okay. See? All the dirty, the dust. Okay, just pull it out. Okay, simply wash it. Simply wash it. After done cleaning your dirty container, you just plug it back here. Okay? Alright, that's it.